I feel very, very happy, excited, and I want to do more performance for Philippine Idol.
John Paul is still inside?
Yes.
So I want you guys to wait for him here, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Swertehin din kaya si John Paul?
Body starts to rock, with the beat, baby, you can't stop. Mix all you've got, come on, this must be. Pop, watch me, come on, come on. Boom, boom, boom. Ay, nahulog. This must be pop.
Sa labas, inaantay ng pamilya ni John Paul ang resulta.
John Paul, sana makapasok din.
Double celebration kaya sa bahay nila mamaya.
What I can see is he's more concentrated on his dancing, di ba, than his singing, no?
Okay.
For Philippine Idol, dapat mahusay ka sa dalawa.
Yeah, lahat.
Lahat.
The voice quality is very lacking. Hindi pa hinog. It's a no. It's a no. I'm sorry.
I think I have to say no for now, yeah.
Well, I'm sorry, John Paul. Thank you very much.
Okay, it's okay. Even one, okay lang.
Nabay lang ako yung white.
One in, one out. Sa bagay, hindi na rin. At least, hindi na sayang ang pagpunta ng pamilya Padillo sa Bigfoot.
65 nang simulang itayo ang Fort San Pedro, the oldest tri-bastion fort in the country. Marami ng gera at labanan ang pinagdaanan nito. Pero kita nyo naman, nakatayo pa rin. Sa Philippine Idol kaya, sino ang lalaban sa gera ng Biritan at sino naman ang susuko sa mga judges natin?
Galing, mga Cebuano. Daming musicians galing dyan. Super. Mas mataas pa siguro ang expectations ko. Maraming magaling sa ano niyan, sa region na yan. Must have something to do with their language. Kasi yung formation ng kanilang bunganga sa pagkanta nila, very natural yung tones na lumalabas eh.
Sa Philippine Idol, hindi uubra ang boses lang. Dapat kumpleto ang packaging. Mula outfit,
Yung outfit ko po ngayon is hindi po ito grass. Ito po ay isang damit, pero feathery lang yung texture niya. I do believe that green means life.
hanggang singing style.
But all you gotta do is keep it real with the player. Just answer your phone whenever I call, cause I'm right my chrome.
At meron din kasama sa packaging, iba pang hilig bukod sa singing.
Philippine Idol would be my friends here.
Tulad ni Giovanni na expert din sa skimboarding.
Ako si Giovanni Redido, usa ka skimboarder. Ug ako ang pinakauna nga Philippine Idol gikan sa Cebu.
Here.
Ay, sus, aray, Ginoo. So, nagulat ako. I'm sorry. I'm sure nakita mo na Mr. C na marunong siya sumayaw kasi nag-tumbling na siya, di ba? Oh.
All right, Gio. Thank you.
It's gonna be. It's gonna be me. Every little thing I do, maybe seems enough for you. You don't wanna lose it again. But I'm not like that, baby, when you finally get to love somebody, guess what? Oh, it's gonna be me.
Thank you.
Okay po.
Salamat. It's gotta be May. Mamita.
You should have given us a little bit more of your singing style. Para sa akin lang,
Yes,
Mr. C.
yes.
Pwede ba ko maka-apply lang one slow song, ma'am?
Hindi na. Okay na yun. Nadinig ko na yung boses mo. That's
Nadinig
enough.
na.
Okay na yun.
So,
Francis.
You are a good performer, but it's not the type that would be
for them.
suited for Philippine Idol. I'm sorry.
Okay. It's
Sorry.
a no.
It's a no.
Giovanni, thank you very much. It's
Thank
a
you
no.
po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ito naman si Brian, may kakaibang paraan para ma-achieve ang look ng isang Philippine Idol.
30024. My name is Brian, and I will be your first Philippine Idol. I'm kind of insecure about my weight. Feeling ko wala naman akong chance. Kaya ako nag-box kasi for training and for exercise. Kaya di ako nag-audition sa Manila. Kasi nga parang sobrang alam mo yun, insecure ako. Parang feeling ko yung sa laki ko, baka di ako kunin, kung anong sabihin sa akin. Takot ako sa critics. So ngayon, I mean, gusto kong patunayan talaga na kaya ko talaga. Kahit gano'ng kalaki ka, kahit ikaw pa yung pinakabalya ng tao sa buong mundo. I mean, basta kung meron kang papakita, kung meron kang talent, labas mo.
Aba, believe naman kami sa fighting spirit mo, Brian. Mapabalib mo rin kaya ang judges natin sa pagkanta mo.
There.
Hi, hello.
You're not from Cebu?
I'm not from Cebu, sir. I'm from Manila.
So, where are you living?
Naka-check-in po ako sa hotel.
Okay, kasama mo nanay mo, tatay mo?
Just me.
Just
Wow.
okay.
Yeah, just me.
Sige nga, Brian, let's hear. What did you prepare for?
All right, I'm gonna sing a song from George Michael,
Okay.
and it's entitled "Careless Whisper." I feel so unsure as I take your hand and lead you to the dance floor. As the music dies, something in your eyes calls to mind a silver screen, and you said goodbye. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet, I've got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend, I know you're not a fool.
Brian, I'll have to be honest. I'm sorry. I don't think that you will last in the second round. I'm sorry.
Me, I like him.
I like you too, man.
Thank you.
I will play the villain to Francis and let you go to Manila.
Okay.
At eto pang isang aspiring idol na di lang sa pagkanta magaling.
Hi, I'm Xandra Tan. I'm a dance sport competitor.
When marimba rhythms start to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more.
Hanip ng gumiling? Pero teka muna, dapat siguro, Zandra, nag-audition ka sa Shall We Dance?
Zandra,
Hello po.
you think you can be the next Philippine Idol?
I hope.
Sige, Day, kanta.
For the very first time that we kissed, I knew that I just couldn't let you go at all. From this day on, remember this, that you're the only one that I adore. Can't we make this last forever? This can't be a dream, 'cause it feels so good to me. So no ordinary love. I was not prepared enough to fall so deep in love. This is not your ordinary, no ordinary love. 'Cause you were the first to touch my heart, made everything right again with your extraordinary love.
That's good for me, Sandra.
So far for today, you're the best performer. I say pasok ka.
Yes!
Congratulations.
You're going to Manila, Sandra.
Yo, mga kababayan yo, salamat sa iyo po. Philippine Idol, here I come!
Ganyan ang mga sumasali sa Philippine Idol. Kahit saan mo isabak, panalo.
Dumating sa Cebu si Magellan on April 8, 1521. This cross is proof. Sinasabi nila na ang Cebu ang seat of Christianity ng Pilipinas. Historical, ika nga. Kung ang date na yon ay historical, historical din ang petsang ito. Lalo-lalo na kung dito sa Cebu matatagpuan ang kauna-unahang Philippine Idol.
Kung sa bagay, sa dami namang sumali sa Philippine Idol dito sa Cebu, tsak, mahihirapang pumili ang mga hurado. Si Francis M. kaya, anong mga katangian ng hanap niya sa pagpili ng magiging idol ng bayan?
Takes dedication, raw, pure, unadulterated talent, and then faith.
O yan ha, malinaw ang sinabi ni Francis M. Nagets kaya yun ni Winjan.
Ako po si Winjan Dakay. Sumali ako sa Philippine Idol because kaya kong lahat gawin yung anong dapat gawin ng isang idol.